Hello, everyone. So, what happened on Monday, the 15th, in Nifty Spot? Here's it. Yesterday's low was 22,506, gap down till here, closed the gap till 22,426, which is an important line. Again a low here, again a low here, and again a low here, 431. This was an important line, and we have not been able to go above this 22,426, leaving a gap here of around 120 points, and then goes further down till this point. Now, if you carefully see, for your understanding, I have shaded the graph, the chart, into two. One is the sky blue and the other is a beach brown. This is what the whole chart of Nifty is split into. How is it split? Here's it. It goes above, comes down again, it goes above and comes down again at this point. Now again it's a deciding point whether it's going to go further down here or it's going to take a support here and move up. Now that is the point at which it is lying. The level is 22,257. See this separation of these two colors? Right, this is a very important level. Now, I will take you a little bit to the chart of the lower time frame. The lower time frame is slightly here. In the lower time frame, we started this wave at around 21,737. Look at this left bottom corner, 21,737. It went up here, it took a support, left a gap here between the high and the low, then went up again, took support here, then went up again, took support here. Now this was a major support from where it bounced nicely, gathering momentum and touching 22,775. Now, come here again, it falls, and it's not able to cross this resistance line of this closings, and it falls crashing, and it's back at this point. Now, this point is a very important point. As I said, this low and this high doesn't mean, it means it is the momentum gap. This gaps, generally we see no overlaps. Now below this it can't come. If it comes, if it moves below, it should immediately take support at 22,188. Below 22,188, closing on 1 hour chart. I beg to differ, this is a 1 hour chart. I'm giving you at a smaller time frame. We should never on 1 hour chart go below 22,188 and maintain this no overlap and support here. If not, we are going to go further down. Now further down can be fall here to this level, 22,105. Then here again, 22,985. This is a smaller time frame chart just for you to know how important is this current level at which the index has stopped. Okay, so let me go back to the candlestick chart. Here, that's it. We are here at this important point. As I said, there are two shades which I have drawn. 22,257 is important. We should try to take support and move up, cross this gap, close above this gap, 22,506 to 22,642 or 22,674. At this, till this level, we can say we can feel the bounce from the current level of 22,257. Below this, we have a very interesting level, which was always a very important level. I'll just show you behind. If I go, this 22,123 was an important level here. So we might again try to test below 22,257. This is 22,123. We may get this particular support. Okay. So 22,123, below this 22,257, 22,201 again is a very important level. 22,201, 22,123. Then various such levels till we are here. So how much power will it be there? Let us see in the weekly chart. Here is a weekly chart. Just look at this weekly chart. We are here at 22,297 level. We may go to 22,224, which is again the high-low of this important week. If we crash below, we have another level here, 22,179, from which the weekly breakout occurred. Now, this was a weekly breakout from 21,710 that our wave started. This breakout came here. Are we going to go below this breakout? Then this is the another level here, 22,055. Another level here, 21,911. Now, why do I always talk about levels? Is because when you're trading right in front of your eyes and your work, you must know the levels. So the levels is below this 22,4, 22,179, 22,055, 21,911, 21,833. So this is the weekly scenario. And once I give you a monthly scenario like this, these are the 3 months, Jan, Feb, March, April. All the 3 candles of Jan, Feb, March, and even the current April is turning out to be a small body candle, an indecision candle. Now, most important now, here we are around the Feb high, month of Feb high, and if you go below, there's a Jan 22,123 high available. That means our current condition is going to get equated to what was when the Jan high was done, 22,123. If it falls below, we have nothing else but this March low, 21,710, from where this index started to move up. So 22,123, below that, probably another 400 plus points here to 21,710. We must take support at 22,123 on a monthly scale. At the back, after knowing what probably is going to come ahead, around the month end, we may have to check this very minutely with great agility. 22,123, we should not move below 22,123, right? That's something which probably would come in the next 10 days off. So we should not go below 21,123 in case that the next level is 21,710. So on the immediate front tomorrow, once again, we are here at this level. That's on the line, closing level. We look like this on the closing level. Closing levels next should be 22,217. Again, comes from this level, 22,217. We must not go on closing basis. When I say closing basis, I again repeat, you should be seeing these values around 3:15 or 3 o'clock, depending on how it is closing, so that you make your important decisions to take an overnight position or not. If we are going below 22,217, you can might as well take an overnight position around 3:15 or so. You see this 22,217, you may see 22,123 or 22,096, which could mean another 100 points for you overnight. With that, I guess I have done some justice to you and the time that you have given to me. Thank you. All the best for tomorrow. If you're finding my work helpful, please subscribe and tell your friends that I'm very interesting. My analysis is very interesting. Mind you, very, very big experience I'm having, and I can assure you, I will put you always on the right track. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.